Hello and welcome to the Speculative Design Challenges, co-designed by the Design and Technology Teachers Association of Victoria and Banyo Nolumbic Tech School. And for all speculative design challenges, we can ask ourselves three simple questions. What if, what could be, and what do you think? And the future scenario we have for you in this design challenge is what if whole communities had to be contained within new structures to protect them from a hazardous environment. Now this is quite complex and there are obviously lots of possibilities in this scenario, but we can break that down into further questions. What environmental threats could there be in the future? And what are the vital elements of any community? How would they be powered? How would they feed themselves? And how could these structures be designed to provide a healthy lifestyles for those living in them? Next, we're going to move on to what could be. And this is where you get to investigate current and future concepts. So again, we can break these down into further questions. What products and services are being used now? What future concepts are being developed by others? And what concepts have you seen in games and movies? What sort of technologies still need to be developed? And how could this improve our lives and the societies we live in? How can we make it accessible, sustainable, ethical, and safe for all? And lastly, we need to ask you, what do you think? So this is where you get to imagine no limits. With speculative design challenges, you can imagine that there are no technology barriers, there are no financial limits, and that all the materials and components that you need are readily available. How could you make the best solution possible? And how could you minimize any negative consequences of your concept? To help you with this speculative design challenge, we've provided several thinking templates for you. This first one is where you get to investigate all the possibilities. You get to think about the scenario that's been proposed, who you're designing for, what their needs are. You can think about what's already been created, or what people are already imagining, and you can also think about the technology that would be required to make your idea come to life. Then we move on to the generating stage. Using this template, you can take your initial idea and modify it using the prompts on the page. There are also a number of design styles on the left-hand side that you can do further research on and apply to your best design. We've also provided a template for you to show evidence of your final design. And we would like to encourage you to use computer-aided design software to achieve this. You can use any CAD software you currently have access to or that you're familiar with. However, if you've never used CAD software before, we've provided some introduction videos to SketchUp for you. SketchUp is easy and intuitive to use, and we really look forward to seeing the designs that you've come up with for this speculative design challenge. Lastly, we want you to share your ideas with each other. You can do that in person, or you can do it online through digital galleries provided. You could also share this through your social media networks using the hashtag #FutureTech. This is a really important step to understand how our ideas could help shape the preferred futures that we all want to see. We hope you enjoy the Speculative Design Challenge, and we can't wait to see what you share with us. Good luck.